about public transport, for example, doing it for free for young people to attend to school?
So this is something that I've been focusing on for the last year, and I have made a formal recommendation to government, Welsh Government, that they make public transport free for all children up to the age of 18. If not forever, but at least for a pilot, for a trial period, to see how it goes, to see how much it costs, and to really measure the benefits and the impact of that. Because I have heard so many children and young people tell me that the cost of it is just prohibitive. They just, many families just physically can't afford to pay for children to either get to the activities they want to, or perhaps a part-time job. But really importantly, like you said, sometimes that prevents children and young people from being able to get public transport to get to school, and that is really, really worrying. I know that Welsh Government has been looking to review something called the Learner Travel Measure, which is the rules around who gets free transport to school or not for a number of years, and hasn't got round to that yet. So that's something that I am challenging the government to do. And in terms of the recommendation on free public transport, they have said that they will look at it, but they have also said that they're not sure they've got the money at the moment.